Indian girl goes back to India. She refused to appear on my YouTube videos, and today she's trying to escape.
I didn't refuse.
You refused. You are trying to escape, guys. She refused to come to my channel.
No, she's lying. That's a lie.
I can't tell. She's going to miss her room. That's why she's looking
Yes,
again.
I will miss. And more, I'll miss Aladi. Oh, we should take this one. I forgot my pants.
Say goodbye to the house. Did you lock it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
We are filming the celebrity girl. This girl is excited. Can you imagine?
What?
Anika, you're excited. Why? You don't want to, you're not even feeling like you're going to miss me. You're just...
No, obviously I'm going to miss you.
Don't cry, yo.
Miss you.
Yeah, thank you.
It was nice time that I spent, and thank you.
Thank you. Safe trip. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is move out day. Hey guys, so yesterday I moved into my new apartment. I'm back to the old one again because I wasn't able to vacuum yesterday before leaving. After moving my mattress and everything, the floor, you know, I just need to clean up everything before giving the keys back to the landlord. So while I'm at it, I think it's good to give you guys a tour of the apartment. I know the last time I couldn't do it because I only gave a tour of my room. I'll put the link here if you haven't watched it. But now I am going to give you guys the tour of the whole house. Why I didn't do it the last time was because I didn't want to ask my roommates if I could film their room. I didn't want to make them uncomfortable. So now that everyone has moved out, I think it's a perfect time to, you know, tour the whole house. And if you want to see my new apartment, if you want to see the tour of that one, let me know in the comment section and I will deliver as always. Just let me know and I will do it. Okay, so I am going to start vacuuming, and after vacuuming then I will give you guys the tour, or anyone I decide to do first, you're gonna see it. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Here we are, guys. Here we are. Once you come into the apartment, this is the first thing you will see, the small space. And there is a place where you can hang your coats, and this is the living room. This is the living room. By your right, there is a storage here as well, where we can keep all junks, you know, those things that you just can't put in your room. So to the left, we have the restroom, toilet. Let's go to the left. This is my room. Remember, I gave you guys a tour of this room. Remember, don't forget. So this used to be my closet. When you come out of my room, there's another room. This is the second room. So this is the closet. There's the window. I feel like this is probably the same size as my room, or it's smaller, I don't know. But yeah, this is the other room. Going from this room, you can go to the other room. But when we all lived here used to be short. I think the landlord opened it up now since we already moved, but usually this place is shut, so no contact from this room to the other room. But now this is the third room, and the biggest of them all, there's the closet, the windows, the floor, the ceiling. Oh, I don't know, what do I call that? I don't know. So this is the room, and this is the door. So I'm gonna turn off the lights. From the last room, which is the third room, you meet the dining area, quite large. This is it, and then the kitchen together. The kitchen with the, I don't know, and that is the stove, the fridge, and this door leads you downstairs where the washing machine and all that is. I don't want to go there again. So there used to be a dishwasher here, but it's gone. And yeah, the sink. Home sweet home for the past almost 2 years. This has been my home. I am gonna miss it definitely. And guys, I already said if you want to see my new apartment, you want to see the tour, please let me know and I will deliver. So yeah, let's close the curtains and say goodbye to the apartment. Okay, so we move. Switch off the lights. So switch off the light. Bring down the curtains. Home sweet home. Let me pick up my keys in my phone. So this is a goodbye. Let me quickly say this. When we lived here or while we lived here, because I don't know if the landlord is going to increase the rent or not, because when I first moved in the rent was $950. After my first day the rent increased to $1,000. So this $950 or $1,000, we share that by 3, you know, and then each of the girls paid about $300 and something. So the whole house is $1,000 per month, and we don't pay for water and sewage, garbage and all that. We only paid for our internet. We were only responsible for that, so the other stuff were already included in the rent. This was a very decent place to live, but it was tough getting roommates to share the apartment with, especially with the whole thing going on, students coming in and all that. It's kind of risky taking this apartment and paying alone, because my 2 other roommates, they already left. One was done with her internship, so she had to move back to her country, and the other one got an internship somewhere and she left, so she couldn't afford to be paying, you know, why not here keep paying for a house you're not living in. It's not really wise, and I was the only one left, so I had to leave. And yeah, the landlord was really nice. He is not a bad guy. So and yeah, I miss everything, because this is where it all started. I feel somehow, I don't know, because this is like a home to me, like, you know what I'm saying. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching till now. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for subscribing, and if you want to see my new apartment tour, please let me know in the comment section and I will be sure to show you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel.